mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be making or baking cheese bars or cheese sticks. For the ingredients, isa-isahin natin. We have all-purpose flour, we have butter, 2 eggs, condensed milk, dalawa yan, may 200 tapos may 800, baking powder, sugar, tapos pro cheese na cheese. Yan, ito yung gamit ko. From Global Pacific. Okay, so first, cream natin si butter and si sugar. If wala kayong mixer, then you can use wooden spoon. Di kailangan ng mixer, okay? Yan, pwedeng wooden spoon yan. Then, your sugar. You call this one creaming method. Cream natin siya for around 3 minutes. Bago natin i-mix yung ibang ingredients. Saksak natin. Isaksak natin, guys, si mixer. Pagkatapos ng butter and sugar, hulog natin si eggs. Okay? Hulog mo muna yung isa. Mix. And then, the second egg. Then, lastly, yung dry ingredients natin, which is your all-purpose flour and your baking powder. So, halo na natin si dry ingredients, dahan-dahan. Kailangan yung harina naka-sift ha, para walang buo-buo. Yan. After magkalahati si flour, makikita mo medyo thick na yung consistency. Hulog na natin yung 800 grams na condensed milk. Again, I'm using Bravo condensed milk from Global Pacific. Then, after the condensed milk, continue hulog si flour. You can divide this recipe, ha? If you want na medyo konti muna yung itry. Medyo marami to kasi I will show you the cheese bars and the cheese sticks. See, medyo matigas yung consistency, di ba? Sa isang recipe natin, guys, lulutuin natin or bibake natin siya sa isang jelly roll pan. Yung kalahati nito will be cheese sticks, tapos yung kalahati, cheese bars. Lagay na natin, spread na natin here. Medyo sticky talaga to, ha? Pwede nyo to gawing negosyo for Christmas. Kung ayaw nyo magnegosyo, pamigay nyo na lang. Pang regalo. Simutin nyo dahil mahal yung ingredients. Yan. Use your hands kasi medyo matigas talaga to. Spread mo. Huwag ka na mag-offset spatula here. I tell you, mas mabilis tong kamay. After nito, spread na natin yung other condensed milk. Okay? Spread natin sa taas. Then, after the condensed milk, yung cheese natin. Isang bar talaga ng pro cheese yung ginamit ko. What's nice with this brand is, di siya masyadong malambot na cheese. After baking, makikita mo pa rin yung mga strands. Hindi siya nagme-melt. I'll show you my grater ha. Kailangan ganito kalaki. Tingnan nyo si Pro Cheese ha. Hindi siya yung masyadong malambot na cheese. But they also have melted. Maganda to pang ensaymada, pang cheese sticks, yan. Then, let's bake this one around 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So, naka-preheat na si oven ko. Bibake natin siya for 15 minutes. $350 ha. This is done already. Yan. Palamig natin. Loosen natin yung sides. Yan. Tapos, pa-cool down natin. Okay? So, cookie sheet natin to or plancha. Transfer lang natin siya. Then, kuha ka ng another cookie sheet. Tapos, lipat natin. Para ready to cut na. Okay, so, malamig na. Cut na natin. So, yung kalahati, bars natin. Yung kalahati, sticks. Yan. Medyo matataba yung sticks ko, ha. Yan. Yan na yung balot natin. Okay? This is our cheese sticks. Tapos, yung kabila, cut natin into bars. Okay? By the way, if you don't like na maganto yung cheese, pwede mas shorter time yung baking. Pwede yun. Or, kalagitnaan ng pag-bake, pwede nyo siya dagdagan ng cheese. Okay? So, for this, divide natin into 4. Cut sa gitna, tapos divide into 3. Here's our cheese bars. Okay, so lipat natin sa plate. Si bars. Sa bars, sa cheese bars, pwede nyo siya i-divide into 24 pieces. Tapos sa cheese sticks, 24 to 28 pieces if you want na medyo mas manipis siya. For the recipe, pwede nyo siya makita sa description box kung ayaw nyo i-rewind yung video ko. Para sa mga ingredients, visit our store, Sweet House Baking Supplies. So here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Ring the notification bell para mas updated kayo. Thank you for watching!